Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where cozy evenings meet timeless flavor and beautiful spaces. Here, we celebrate warm light, thoughtful details, and recipes that feel like home. Expect gentle guidance, candlelit ambience, and tips that make everyday cooking graceful and stress-free. From brass-kissed classics to comforting bakes, everything is crafted to soothe your day and spark your creativity. Settle in with a cup of something warm, take a breath, and let's make simple. Moments feel special together, one welcoming dish at a time. A soft glow settles over the room like evening tea by the window, and everything feels calm and gracious. Brass catches the candlelight in a gentle wink, while creamy cabinetry and honed marble keep the mood grounded and elegant. The wood floors have that quiet, time-worn charm that makes you breathe a little easier. Copper on the rail hums softly in the background. It is warm, not showy, like a favorite cashmere. You can almost hear the kettle, steady and sure. There is a hush to this space that feels welcoming without trying, as if warmth were simply the default. Brass fixtures gleam with an easy patina, the sort that comes from years of honest use. Pillar candles deepen the shadows just enough to flatter the stone and oak. The island holds the scene together, broad and reassuring. Nothing feels fussy, everything feels considered. It is the kind of kitchen that remembers seasons and keeps them kindly. Evening drifts in, and the brass turns honeyed under the candlelight, casting soft reflections along the cabinet faces. The marble veining looks like brush strokes, calm and deliberate. Oak beneath glows warmly, like a well-loved table that has seen decades of simple dinners. Lanterns dim low, never harsh. The lines are classic, not stiff. This is a room that meets you where you are, wraps you in calm, and sets the pace to gentle. This kitchen rests easy in its skin, with unlacquered brass that tells a quiet story in every touch of light. Limestone and soapstone temper the glow, so the room feels tender rather than bright. Copper along the rail nods to old-world kitchens, confident but modest. Candles pool warm light into the corners, rounding off edges and softening the evening. The air feels steady, like a familiar melody. Every surface invites a pause. A graceful lantern casts a mellow shimmer, and brass hardware answers back with a soft smile. Creamy paint, touched with taupe, feels timeless, neither new nor old, just right. Marble ledges cradle beeswax tapers, their flames swaying like a lullaby for the room. The oak shows dignified wear, not a flaw out of place. Even the hoodline seems to breathe easily. It is poised, soothing, and content to be quietly beautiful. Textured plaster holds the candlelight like it was made for it, and the brass bridge faucet glows as evening deepens. Travertine keeps the floor cool and grounded while olive cabinets warm the eye. Lanterns hum at a low, kindly setting, as if whispering goodnight to the walls. The whole room feels sun-baked and serene, yet dignified. Time moves slowly here, and that is a gift. Light trickles through like late afternoon, and the brass pendants add a warm punctuation to the hush. The pot filler, the rail, the pulls, each a small glint of history in the present. Herringbone oak sets a calm rhythm underfoot. The palette stays gentle, ivory, gray-blue, and the soft gold of flame. It is all understated, deeply familiar, and wonderfully steady. You feel at home just looking. Everything about this room says gracious comfort, with inset doors and cup pulls that know their place. Candles line the window, throwing small halos onto the marble apron front. The brass faucet glows as though it has always belonged. Reclaimed beams carry a quiet strength overhead. Zellige tiles wink once in the candlelight and then settle back. It is easy here to slow down and savor. In this long, elegant run, brass sets a harmonious line, pulls, faucet, lanterns each warming to the candlelight. The slab backsplash is quietly dramatic, the chevron floor steady and dignified. Mushroom paint keeps the mood serene. Hurricane glass gathers the flames, turning them into soft, flickering jewels. The room feels composed, like a good book left open on a table, waiting for you to return. The brass cross handles look like a handshake from another era, familiar, courteous, and sure. A mantle-style hood shelters the range with calm authority. Oak-topped island, parchment cabinets, and brick detail join the conversation in low voices. Candlelight lifts the edges of everything, painting metals in amber. Evening arrives politely here, never in a rush. It is comforting without effort. This palette of warm greige and marble feels like a favorite sweater on a crisp night. Brass hardware and faucet glow quietly, not vying for attention. Spherical pendants dim to match the candlelight, and the island becomes an anchor for the eye. Oak planks show a soft sheen, the kind that only time can give. Nothing clangs, everything murmurs. It is grace made practical. Open shelves sit under a small picture light, washing stoneware with a tender glow. Brass rails trace a tidy line along the backsplash, helpful and handsome at once. The gooseneck faucet catches the candlelight and turns it kind. Limestone underfoot is calm and cool, balancing the warmth above. The whole room feels like a deep breath after a long day, uncomplicated, caring, and steady. The candelabra makes a gentle statement. Soft light, softer edges. Brass hardware and faucet echo that warmth, floating across veined marble with a quiet shimmer. Herringbone oak adds a pleasing cadence that keeps the eye moving. Nothing is precious, yet everything is cherished. The lines are traditional with a smile. It is elegant without stepping on toes. Even in the coziest corner, the brass glows with patient warmth. A frosted lantern keeps the light velvet soft, while pillar candles add little pools of gold. Beaded inset doors look classic and kind. The floors have that honest character that welcomes every season. You can almost feel the familiar rhythm here, steady, gentle, reassuring, like a well-kept promise. Thanks for spending time in Soulful Kitchen, where calm lighting, thoughtful design, and comforting flavors come together. Today's takeaways: choose warm layers of light, lean into timeless materials, and keep techniques simple so the food shines. If this resonated, please tap like, subscribe for weekly moments of warmth, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Your ideas shape what comes next, and this community is better with your voice. Until then, keep it gentle, heartfelt, and delicious.